You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. This is the name of quite a few different locations, famously the name of a county, or county I should say, sorry, in England. It's also the name of a city in Arkansas, Nebraska, there's one in Virginia. So the British say it as Norfolk. 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 The Americans, however, say it rather similarly, but more as Norfolk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.